Down, and then so hover your body weight. Now you come under, open. Yep, and then and catch me. So I've got to get as much as my weight on top. So if you're down, you put all your body weight on me, and then I've got that space. And you're
maintaining the tension lines in him.
Yeah, yeah. So more, whole body weight. And you just open under that load. You've got to mechanically, physically take it first and then switch.
Right.
Whole body weight. And try to keep the body weight under it for as long as you can, because people just naturally start moving away. I won't do it in class, but in your own time, you can do the fireman's lift, throw your partner on your shoulder, center of gravity at that point, hold their legs out, their arms are the other way, and then from there, just practice issuing up and get vertical issues, and then you get it really clean.